Hi there, Stacey Mitchell here. We are on Reed's Road in Downingtown, East Brandywine Township, for today's tour. So this house was built in the 1950s. It is almost 2,400 square feet. It's a ranch home, the elusive ranch. Everybody wants a ranch house. This house has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, completely renovated from top to bottom. So come on, I'm going to take you a tour. This is the main entryway. It's very spacious, and if you look above, you're going to see how high the ceilings are in here. So when you walk in, it gives you that feeling of like a grand entrance, which is amazing. The flooring is nice and light. This is your LVP. Very durable, waterproof, almost indestructible. It's a great type of flooring. Nice and light. The colors on the wall are nice and bright. So to the right of the house, when you walk in, you're going to find the bedrooms. To the left is the main living space and another additional room. But we're going to start with the bedrooms. In the hallway, you have your main bathroom. So you have a tub, all tile, which is beautiful. Nice light colors, double sink, slow closed doors in the vanity. Really bright, elevated ceiling. It's just really lovely. So we go down the hallway. You have your first bedroom on the right-hand side here, which is really nice. Look how high the ceilings are. It feels very spacious. Ceiling fan, all new electric, new windows, ceiling lights throughout, hardwire smoke detectors. It's really, really nice. Keep in mind that this house was renovated from top to bottom. So it does have new windows, new roof, new HVAC. Then we're going to go into the next bedroom. Same thing. It has elevated ceilings, so it feels like very spacious. Ceiling fan, nice and bright. You have cable ready on the walls for your TVs, so you can just come in and mount everything. It's kind of like plug and play. Just move right in. And then we're going to go to the primary. So look how spacious this primary is. And what I love about this bedroom is the view from the windows. This house sits on almost 2 acres, and you're out in quiet country. It's absolutely beautiful back here. It's close to Marsh Creek, so you're just a short drive away from Marsh Creek. But look at those woods. And when we were outside, you could hear everything. You could hear the woodpeckers and the birds. It's just very relaxing and very beautiful. This house has a brand new septic system, and the well system has a water filtration system that was added. Again, very spacious, high ceilings, can lighting, ceiling fan. And in the primary bathroom, I love this. Talk about saving space. You have your pocket door, which I love pocket doors. And then you have your double sink. You have a shower. It's all tile, very bright, nice high ceiling. And again, look at the views out the window. I know there's a screen in there, so it kind of gives you a funny appearance, but the view is amazing. The yard is totally fenced in. So bring your chickens, bring your dogs, bring your pony. So we're going to come on out and down the main hallway here. This is where you're going to find your new HVAC system. Sorry, that's squeaky. This is gas. So there's 2 large propane tanks on the property that are owned. So you can shop around for the best price for your propane. And then you have your laundry area. So it's very spacious. So you have washer dryer hookup. You have your electric panel in here. But look, you could totally put cabinets in here. You could have an ironing board. So this is your laundry station. And then we have out to the back. So we're going to pop out here real quick. So come on out and look at this awesome patio and the yard. So this is your back space here. It's all yours. Private, quiet. fenced in. I just love this. 2 zones for your HVAC. The other thing that I love, and if you can get a shot over here, is a water pump. So when you're outside, you can just pump your water. So even if your power were to go down, you could still pump water. I love that. The other thing too, this house it does have a hookup for a whole house generator. So all you need to do, again, is plug and play. Just get that whole house generator, and even if you do lose power, once you have that whole house generator, it's just going to turn right on. You'll never even know that you're without power. All right, so we're going to head to the kitchen because this is really great. Wait till you see what they've done to the kitchen. So when you step in this area, this is all ceramic tile flooring, but look how spacious. This is completely open floor plan, and this is a quartz countertop. The oversized island is truly amazing. Can you imagine, like, a lot of people like to bake bread now. Bread, pastries, if you make your own pasta, you have so much space to create and to cook. I just love it. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. All slow close cabinets, double deep stainless steel sink. Love the view. Right out front to the road. Dishwasher, all appliances are brand new. But look at all the storage. I mean, there's so much cabinet space. You're going to have plenty of storage for everything. There's a slider off of the dining room that leads to the back again also. So you got lots of flow. If you like to entertain, this is perfect for entertaining. Just flow right outside. You have this large space here for the family room. Again, it's all open concept, and it's just beautiful. This is nice and cozy. The carpeting feels really nice and full and plush. It's a nice neutral color, so it's going to go with any of your decor. High ceilings, it feels very spacious, and it's nice and bright. And I love how they did these built-ins. The bookcases for all your decorative pieces, whatever you want to put here. Your books, toys, blankets, pillows, more counter space up here, or just more shelving space. And then we have another room back here. You could use it as a bedroom, office, your craft room, whatever. But you also have your third full bathroom here, complete tile floor, vanity, tub. And either your fourth bedroom or office space, craft room, whatever you want to use this space for, flex room. If you need it as a guest room, it's awesome because it's totally separate from the other part of the house. So your guests could be here pretty much in their own space with their own little bathroom over here. So it's really a great design. And then we have a side door, which has a side patio. This is really great. Look at this patio. The slate, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love slate patios. And it's so quiet. You just can hear the birds. It's just really beautiful. Fenced in yard, you have a big, you have the double door on the fence here so that you can get your lawn equipment in, whatever type, if you have a camper, you can pull your camper in there and park it. There's so much space. When we came to the property, we were thinking, where could you put a 2-car garage? You can on the other side of the house. Endless possibility here. But the heavy lifting has been done because this house has been fully renovated from top to bottom. New roof, new septic, new HVAC, new hot water heater. Everything's been updated on the inside. New electric, new plumbing, new appliances. It goes on and on and on. So thank you for touring with us. Again, Stacey Mitchell. If you need more information about the home, just feel free to just DM me, and I'd be more than happy to tell you more. Thanks.